for being here on a busy Thursday evening, and of course, between all the election buzz that is happening. Actually, till 5:30, the room was looking a little empty, so now it's really full and nice, colorful, so thank you again. I'm extremely happy to be at this Chennai chapter of the ongoing national series on in vitro fertility, initiated by ET Health World. We saw some grand success in its first three events in Delhi, Hyderabad, and Mumbai, where key stakeholders spanning medical experts, hospitals, small and large clinics, and renowned financial investors assembled to discuss and deliberate on the subject. The opportunities and the challenges of this very interesting issue requires a national level build-up so that the right decisions are triggered and that eventually benefits the needy. But as in most cases where unbridled growth happens, we face the challenges of regulations. The vastness of India itself is a natural hurdle. Is there a standard protocol to be followed? How exactly are we to keep the sector in order so that the patients are treated well and, importantly, trust is built? Therefore, regulatory challenges for IVFs is the core of our latest round at Chennai. To begin with, there is no regulatory system or regulations for ART in India. Way back in 2002, the ICMR had formulated the first set of guidelines for surrogacy, which had a more exhaustive version in 2005, in the form of national guidelines for accreditation, supervision, and regulation of ART clinics in India. But these guidelines were just guidelines without a stamp of legislation. Only in 2008, a draft assisted reproductive technology bill was proposed, and it took nearly a decade to give it a final shape in 2017. A separate surrogacy bill was passed by the Lok Sabha in December and is now awaiting a nod from Rajya Sabha. But this issue is already seeing some controversy at a very high level. A joint committee of the Parliament has already said that this bill runs against certain tenets of the Constitution. Then, certain provisions within the two bills are extremely restrictive on who are actually eligible to seek ARTs or what defines an infertile couple. Issues are also raised around the rights of a woman on how and what she determines as fertility. There are contentious court cases to make matters more complex. Given that India is currently seeing a declining fertility rate, given late marriages and late pregnancies, these issues need to be fixed and cannot be relegated to low priority, as has been seen in the last 15 years. Therefore, over the next couple of hours, we will seek tangible solutions through deep and meaningful discussions on the policies and the way forward that can help shape a happy and robust industry. Thank you so much again, and looking forward to this evening for some great deliberations. Thank you.